Hi everyone, this is Anna, the owner and operator of Halftime Physique Body Contouring. So this is our second video in the booty series. If you haven't watched the first video already, I recommend you do so, as it will go over some of the language in which I use today. This video is going to go over the booty building treatment itself, just to give you some more information so that you can make an informed decision about the treatments you would like to have done to your body. So we have 4 cups. I'm just going to label them alphabetically. The first one will be cup A, and as you can see, it has a bar across it. The second cup, cup B, which is much larger. The third cup, C, which is similar to cup A, but with no bar. And then finally, cup D. Now it's important to know these cups, as again, movement of the cup and placement of the cup will help with the desired result. It'll help with stimulation and elongation of the muscles and the tissues, which is why the different cups are important. So typically when you come in, either for a consultation or for a session, you will undress from the waist down and lay down on the table. Typically I start with a soft tissue massage just to help prepare the muscle for the activity that will have done to it. It's similar to when you're going to a physiotherapist or a massage therapist. They will typically work the muscle first before getting into the treatment. And again, this is to warm up the muscle and prepare it for the activity and avoid injury. So after the soft tissue massage, we get into cup A. Now the amazing thing about this bar is it does a number of things. So it helps to stimulate and elongate the muscle. It helps to stretch the fascia, and it helps to break up fatty tissue. We start at the back of the hamstring, go across the quad, and up to the glute. Again, movement will vary, but because of the placement of the bar, it will hit all those three soft tissues. Okay. The second, cup B, is then placed on the glute. Depending on desired results, it can be placed on the glute max or the glute mid and glute min. It will then start to pulsate. Now this pulse is similar to physical activity, something like a squat when you reach the bottom and then come up. It's similar to a hip thrust, as well to a glute bridge, any kind of gluteal activity where you hold it and then release. Again, this is where you're going to get the activation of the muscle, the stimulation of the muscle, and the recruitment of more muscle tissue. Now this will be left on for about half an hour. It will be moved around and it will massage the glute as well. From there, we get into cup C and cup D. Now both of these cups are used for similar things, but in different ways. They help for recovery, to aid in the lymphatic drainage process, to help reduce swelling and soreness as well. So this is typically the booty building treatment. Now, as I mentioned, I like to compare it to a deep tissue massage, as it can be uncomfortable. Again, we are manipulating the tissue, we are stretching the muscle, we are breaking up the fatty deposits, we are stretching the fascia as well. So there's a lot of work happening underneath here. It's important to note that afterwards you may feel a little soreness. 24 to 72 hours after, it should feel like you had a good workout. So deep in that muscle, like you just went to the gym. It's important to stay away from pinching and bruising. So if any time you feel uncomfortable during the treatment, it is always important to notify the person doing it, the professional doing it. All right. So again, this is just a quick review of our booty building treatment. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact me, send me a DM. I'll be more than happy to help you out.